Good morning, students. Fifth class. We are on Unit 9 and it is of time. Exercise 9.1 and 9.2 we have done already. And now the turn of exercise 9.3. And it is of clock, related to clock. 12-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time. Now you see this clock, look at this clock. According to 12-hour clock, what we will do, we'll start from 1 a.m., 1, 2, 3 like this. You know very well about this. 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this up to 12. And after 12, it will repeat again. But what will change? 1 p.m. Now this one after 12 noon, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. it's post meridian. Before noon it's a.m. ante meridian, and after noon post meridian. And in it is I am talking about 12-hour clock. Now I want to discuss about 24 hours clock. In 24 hours clock, you see here in this clock also you can see, or let me show you one more clock so that it will be more clear to you. You see this clock. Look at this clock. After 1, 2, 3, you see from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this up to 12. Then after 12, no am pm. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 like this up to it, and this is 24. These zeros are for 24. Okay, now you see the difference. In 12-hour clock, after 12 we repeat the number, but with pm, 1 pm, 2 pm like this. And in 24 hours clock time, we are not going to repeat any number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 12 is in the morning. As in 12-hour clock it is am time, and this 24 hours clock time is same. But after that, in 24, according to 24 hours clock, 13, 14, 15, and according to 12 hours clock it's 1 pm, 2 pm, 3 pm like this. This is the difference. And now let me tell you how we'll see the time according to 12 hours clock time. It is in your book also. Time is 7:30 am. According to 12-hour clock time, it's 7:30 am as it is same. But 24 hours clock time, in place of am, it's, you see, hours, 7:30 hours, no am, no pm. It is 7:30 hours. And in 7:30 pm, according to 12 hours clock, it is same 7:30 pm. But in 24 hours clock, we'll add 12 here. Why? Because after 12 noon, we'll start pm. That's why 12 then plus 7, it's 19:30 hours. And here in 4:15 am, look at this number, 4:15 am. Am will be same, remain same here also and here also. In 24 hours clock time also it will be same. But what is the difference? In 12 hours clock we use am and pm, but in 24 hours clock time we use hours only, no am pm, hours only. If it is more than 12, then also hours, or if it is less than 12, then also hours. Now 4:15 am, according to 12 hours it's 4:15 am. 4:15 am. here they have written by mistake am, it is pm. 4:15 pm, and when we convert it into a 24 hours clock time according to this, then we'll add 12 here. What we'll do, we'll add 12 in this time 4:15 pm, because it is pm. 12 बज के उसके बाद गए बेटा, 12 नून के बाद, आफ्टर 12 नून add 4:15 more in 12, then it's 16:50. Is it clear to you? I have shown you this clock. Again I am going to show you. You see here, according to 12 hours clock time, you see we use after 12 we use 1 pm 2 pm. But if it is according to 24 hour clock, then what, 1 pm in place of 1 pm 13, in place of 2 pm 14, in place of 13 3 pm 15, in place of 4 pm 16. It means add 12 here, add 12 here when we are going to change according to 24 hours clock. 24 hours clock time, if we want to convert it any time according to 24 hour clock time, then we'll follow this one we'll follow. Okay, and now I'm going to explain one example. You see this example, and it is in your book also, and if you see it, then it will be more clear to you. Now you see, a train leaves New Delhi railway station at 7:30 am and reaches Lucknow at 2:15 pm. How long does the train take to reach Lucknow from New Delhi? न्यू दिल्ली से लखनऊ तक जाने में कितना टाइम लिया? Now you see, convert both AM and PM timings in 24 hours clock time. As I have shown you earlier, we have changed this. What? This time. This, you see, we know how to change. We have learned about how to change the time according to the 12 hours clock or according to the 24 hours clock. Now time is, you see it in your example, it's 7:30 am. Starting time 7:30 am. It's 7:30 hours. Then reaching time 2:15 pm. It is pm. Then we'll have to add 12 here because it is pm. And 2 pm as we'll add 12 here, 14. 2 pm is equal to 14 hours and 15 minutes as it is. It is 14:50 hours. 14 hours 15 minutes. Is it clear to you? Now we can subtract 14, 15 and here 7 hours 30 minutes. 14 hours 15 minutes, 7 hours 30 minutes. And about subtraction, you know very well. Now here you see it's 15 minutes, and from 15 minutes we cannot subtract this. From 15 minutes we cannot subtract 30 minutes. Then what we'll do, we'll take one borrow from hours. R will give 1 hour, but we'll change 1 hour is equal to what will be 60 minutes, and we'll add 60 here. Now it will be 75, and subtract 30 from 75. 30 from 75, and what will you get? 45 minutes. And here 14 and 1 hour already we have taken. Now 13 hours are there, left 13 hours, and 13 minus 7, it is 6. Now your answer is 6 hours 45 minutes. 6 hours 45 minutes. And question 1 already done, and question 2 I will explain tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.